All right, let's look at the homework 2.2, problem number 3. All right, so we have a function here, and we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the graph of this function at -2, -3. All right, so let's do that. All right, so since we already have a point, so I'm going to call it x1, y1, right? Then only other thing we need is a slope, is the slope of the tangent line. So we just need to take the derivative. So we're going to find f prime of x is equal to, right? So derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, all right? So we got that. And the derivative of x is simply 1, right? So we put 1. All right, and the derivative of 7 is 0, so I'm not going to write anything here. So this is the derivative, all right? So if you want to find the slope, so we have m is equal to, so we have to ask the derivative, and then plug in the x value that we have here, so it's -2. So plug in -2 for x. So slope is f prime of -2, right? So if you plug it in, you're gonna get, let's see, so first you have a 3 there, and then we have x, so x is right now -2, so we have to square that, then you have +1, right? So we get that, right? So -2 times -2 is +4, times 3 is 12, +1, so you're gonna get 13. Right, so slope of the tangent line is 13. Right, so we can come up with the equation since we have a point and the slope. So using a point slope form, we have y, so y, and then we have to subtract y1, and y1 in this case is -3. So minus -3, so I'm going to add 3. So y plus 3 is equal to, right? And the slope is, we just found that to be 13, right? So I'm going to put the 13 as the slope. Then x minus, all right, and x1 is -2. So minus -2 is +2. So I'm going to add 2. All right, if the website asking you to find y equals form, all you have to do is move this guy over to the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, so we want to subtract 3 from both sides, right? So you end up getting, so y is going to be all by itself. All right, then we're going to have a 13 x plus 2, right? And, oh, actually, I didn't write that. So 13 quantity x plus 2. Then we are subtracting 3 from that. So I'm going to just go ahead and subtract 3. Then we end up getting that. All right, let's type it in. All right, so we're going to get, let's see, 13 times quantity x plus 2. All right, and then we're going to subtract 3. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got part A correctly. All right, let's do part B. So use the graphing utility to sketch the graph of the original function and the tangent line. All right, so I'm going to just open up a Geogebra. I'm going to actually go ahead and then copy this guy right here. All right, so it's here. All right, and open up a Geogebra. And this is the original function. So here we have that, and I have to fix a little bit. You have that. Hit enter. So this is the graph, and maybe I have to rescale a little bit so you can see it. All right. Then the equation of the tangent line is y equals 13 quantity x plus 2 minus 3. So hit enter. All right. So we have a picture which looks kind of like that. All right. So let's look for the right one here. All right, so let's see, they all look alike. Let's see, so you have these two very similar, and the last two is way off. So it's between this guy and that guy. And the original function goes through, let's see, 7 here. So this goes through 7. This one doesn't go through, say, it looks like it's going to go through 10. So we know that this is the correct picture. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and it looks like we got that picture correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.